So hello everyone, how are you? I hope everybody is doing extremely well. And my name is Siti Sani. I am from UP, and here I practice to improve my communication skill. Okay, so initially what kind of technique I use to improve my communication skill, and so that technique I am going to share with you all. Okay, so first you will have to focus on three methods. First one is intro and technique, I can say. And first one is intro, and second one is you can describe about your present, and then you can set your target like about futures. Okay, so present time, how can we describe? So we can say I am focusing upon my public speaking and weakness, and to overcome this. Okay, and I take sessions and I practice English speaking every day. Earlier, if I talk about my English, so earlier I used to take sessions, and nowadays I am not having sessions because and nowadays I am not like practicing on video call, because I when I started practicing on video call, so I found myself very weak. So that's why I thought I need to work more on my communication skill, and then I'll start again practice on video call. So that's why. And you can say along with that, you can describe about it more. Along with that, I am looking for an opportunity in any company where I can put all my skills together and grow with the company. Okay, I am looking here and there, because of every where I live. There is I live in village area. It's a very small, I can say completely belonging to rural area, I can say. Okay, so everywhere people are working in the field, so that's why I am looking here and there. Okay, let it be. So, and you can set your target, you can describe about futures. Okay, like I always practice upon my technical skills, so that I can get better opportunity in the futures. And if I talk about like introduction, so everybody knows about introductions, that but I want to tell introductions like mine. I am going to tell about myself. Okay, so my name is Citizen. I'm from UP. There is a one small village. I'm from there. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation from home science in Hindi subject, and currently I am pursuing D Pharma. Okay, and apart from this, I am working on my communication skills. So this is the way we can practice on daily basis. Okay, because learning English is a more too much imperative for us and crucial for us. Without learning English, I think we can't survive our good life, we can say. Before starting, always I used to think, how can I learn English? And I always used to say dream. But nowadays, everybody can speak. It's a we are blessed of God. Like this time, we have social media, so we can do whatever we want through mobile. Like easy thing, not very hard. Okay, so I would like to stop here this videos, and if okay, so bye bye.